morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome back in our today's session Maths. I hope children you all must be studying well and you all are enjoying also. So today we are going to learn something very interesting. So are you ready children? So in the previous class we had learnt about addition. I hope you all have understood how to do the addition of one digit number. Okay? So now I will show you some pictures. So all children pay attention, all of you here. Look at the picture and tell me what you all can see on the screen. Yes, you all can see the picture of apples. Can you all count in your mind and tell me how many apples you all can see here? Yes, here we have 5 apples. Okay children, and now this girl came here and she took away one apple from those 5 apples. Okay, so what happened? Can you all tell me now what happened? What is the difference in the previous picture and the picture which you are watching now? Yes, in the previous picture we saw 5 apples, correct? And this girl came here and she took away one apple. So now here our remaining apples are 4 apples. Now look at here. Yes, here we can see total 5 flowers. And children, this girl took 3 and then how many are remaining there with the boy? Yes, 2 flowers. So here are 3 flowers. Okay children, so today we are going to learn, let us learn subtraction. And you can see the sign of subtraction which is given below the topic. So today we are going to learn how to do the subtraction. Okay children, I will give you many examples to make you understand. Now, do you all know what is subtraction? Yes, subtraction means to take away or to remove. As you all have seen in the first picture, we were having 5 apples. Then one girl came there and she took one, she removed one apple from those 5 apples and then there were remaining 4 apples. So subtraction means to take away or to remove. It is represented by sign of minus. See, when you do the subtraction, you have to give this sign. This sign is called as minus. So it is represented by sign minus. Now children, the number always decreases or becomes less than the previous number. When you do the subtraction, the number which is earlier, that always decreases and it becomes less than the previous number. This is what we do in the subtraction. Okay, I repeat once children to make you more understand. Subtraction means to take away or to remove. It is represented by sign minus. The number always decreases or becomes less than the previous number. This is called subtraction. Now I will give you some examples. Now look at here children, we have chocolates. Do you all like to eat chocolates? Yes. So here how many chocolates you all can see? Yes, there are 5 chocolates. And now 3, somebody removed 3 chocolates. So how many are left here now children? Only 2. Means what we did? When we do the subtraction, we have to take away or we have to remove. Okay, that is called subtraction. Here 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now children, look at this picture. Here how many butterflies, lovely, beautiful, pretty butterflies we all can see on the screen. Come on, start counting in your mind and tell me how many butterflies you all can see. Yes, there are 7 butterflies and 2 flies away. Then how many are left here? Yes, Then we have to do subtraction. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Very good. Now look at another example. Here we have 4 balloons. Okay. And I have to take away 1 from here. Then here will remain 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now children, look at the picture. Here we can see colorful parrots. These parrots, how many we all can see? 3. If 2 will fly, then how many will remain here? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay children, I hope you all are understanding what is subtraction and how to do the subtraction by removing numbers from the bigger number. Now children, just look here. Here are 6 cars. Okay. And 2 you have to remove from 6. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Look at another picture here. Here are 5 crowns. Okay. And minus 3. You have to take away 3. You have to remove 3 from 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to, very good. The answer is 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Well done children. Very good. Now I am going to show you some word problems. Okay. Now you have to read the words problems and you have to do the addition by arranging a sum. Now Sam has 9 eggs. 6 of them are broken. How many eggs are left? Now Sam has how many eggs? Total 9 eggs. See, count it here. Okay. Then 6 of them are broken. 6 eggs are broken. Then you have to do the minus. 9 minus 6 is equal to, what is the correct answer children? Yes, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Have you understood children? This way you have to solve your word problem. Let's see another example. Tom has 6 balloons. 2 of them burst out. How many balloons are left? Tom has how many balloons? 6 balloons. Okay, look at the screen. Now 2 of them burst out. 2 of them are burst out. Then how many are left? Yes, who will tell me the correct answer? Do the subtraction. Okay, 6 minus 2 is equal to, yes, very good, 4. The correct answer is 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now children, Porky bought 7 toffees from shop. He ate 2 toffees on his way home. How many toffees will remain? Do the subtraction. Now Porky has 7. He has bought 7 toffees. And when he was coming home back, he ate 2 toffees. Then how many are left with him? Do the subtraction. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Very good. Now here there are 5 cupcakes in a plate. Can you all see? There are total 5 cupcakes in the plate. And Juhi eats 3 of them. So how many cupcakes will remain in the plate now? Yes, 3. 5 minus 3 is, what is the correct answer children? If you remove 3 from 5, then answer will be 2. Am I correct children? Pay attention. Teacher will ask you in different way. So you should not get confused. So here are 2 cupcakes remaining. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Well done children. Very good. I hope children you all must have understood and enjoyed today's session. So in your homework you are going to solve subtraction in your textbook and also you are going to do workbook also. Thank you so much children. See you in the next period. Bye.